Good day once again. My name is Graphics. Let's look at this exercise on quadratic roots. It says if alpha are the roots of the equation ps squared plus qs plus r equals to 0, show that p into bracket alpha plus 1 into bracket beta plus 1 is equals to what? P minus q plus r. Now let's move forward. Solution. If I should write my equation, P into bracket alpha plus 1 into bracket beta plus 1 equal to P minus Q plus R. Now we want to prove this is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. So we work on the left hand side. We want to see this is our question and this is our what? Answer. We want to know if our question will give us our answer. That is one trick about proving. So what we'll do is we are going to expand the left hand side. So by expanding the left hand side, we'll have, let's see how it goes. Let's start with these two. I have P into bracket. We have alpha plus b plus 1 into bracket beta plus 1. So we're having, right, equals to what? P minus Q plus R. So when you expand this, you take one of the two. That means I have alpha plus 1 in one side. I leave space. I'll have another alpha plus 1 in the other side. So I'll take this, I'll place my beta here, and I'll place my plus 1 here, right? So from here equals to P minus Q plus R. Now if I expand this, this is P, I'm opening the bracket, beta times alpha will give me alpha beta, beta times 1 will give me plus beta, plus 1 times beta will give 1 times alpha will give me alpha, 1 times 1 will give me 1. Close the bracket, giving me P minus Q plus R. Now if I expand, I'll be having P times alpha beta will give me, if I'm having, now if you look at this very well now, from here, this is what we're having, right? So, but recall px squared plus qx plus r is equals to what? 0, and it is similar to ax squared plus what? Plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now by comparing for x squared, such that we know our a will be equals to what? P. If this is s squared, this is a. This is s squared, this is p. So a is equals to p. And for that of x, this is x here, b. We have b. And this is x here, we have q. All good? So also we have the constant c equals to what? R. C is equals to what? R. Now we should know very well that alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a, and alpha beta is equals to what? C over A. This is what we should always know when we are dealing with what? Alpha and beta. Is that taken? So from here, alpha plus beta is what? Minus B over A. So if I rearrange this equation here, P, let me call this P into brackets, alpha plus beta is what? Minus B over A. So I'll be having minus B over A. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus B over A. And what is minus B over A? We have B to be what? Q. Right? There's a minus there. All over A is what? R. And alpha beta is equal to C over A. What is C? C is R. All over what is A? A is what? Is P. So we'll move forward. So in this case here, alpha beta is what? R over P. So I'll put my R all over P. Right? Then we have alpha plus beta, or beta plus alpha is the same thing here. So that will give me minus Q over what? Minus, this is P here. That is A. Will give me minus Q over P. Also, we are left with what? 1 here. So plus 1. I close the bracket. Equals to what? P minus Q plus R. I'm rewriting this equation back. Is that taken? So instead of me writing alpha beta, I'm writing alpha beta is what? R over P. I'm placing it here. So I'm writing beta plus alpha, or alpha plus beta. I'm writing this, which is minus Q over P. I'm placing it here. And I'm left with 1, and this is 1 here. So I'm writing this guy back here, right? Now if you look at it very well, the LCM here is P into bracket. The LCM will be what? Will be P, right? So P in P is 1. 1 times R is R. P, this is minus. P in P is also 1. 1 times Q is Q. Here there's a silent one under here. So 1 in P is P. P times 1 is what? Is P. I close the bracket. Equals to what? P minus Q plus R. So the way it is here, this is like saying over 1. So P will equate P. I'll be left with what? R minus Q plus what? Plus P is equals to what? P minus Q plus R. Now you see that they are equal. So if I should rearrange this, I can bring P forward to say P minus Q. P minus Q plus R is similar to what? P minus Q plus R. So both of them are what? Equal. So it is what? It is proved that the left hand side is equal to what? The right hand side. That is my answer there. So this is how you go in solving this particular question. Thank you very much for watching.